If you're looking for a newly MOP HDB 4-room flat nearby to a Harbourfront, bus stop, coffee shop, wet market, HDB neighbourhood shops that are all within 5 minutes walk, and within 8 minutes walk to NTUC FairPrice Supermarket, Telok Blangah MRT, stay tuned to this video with Property 65. And I'm Eunice.
And I'm Johnny.
Today we will unravel a mesmerizing unit.
Do not miss it.
Located along Telok Blangah Street, this unit is only 2 minutes walk to Harbourfront, coffee shops, 5 minutes walk away to Block 79 Telok Blangah Wet Market and neighbourhood shops, and only 8 minutes walk to Telok Blangah HDB Mall Estate with NTUC FairPrice and Telok Blangah MRT. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know there's a total of 3 primary schools within 2 km, including the reputable Radin Mas Primary School, top 40, and only 7 bus stops away. This is an intermediate corner, and at 1001 square feet, it comes with 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, 2 bathrooms, living area, dining area, and an open concept kitchen. The master bedroom is meticulously designed to be larger, as this wall was hacked and rebuilt towards the other bedroom to make space for the huge full-height wardrobe.
Let's step inside and discover the remarkable features of this stunning unit. This designer concept homes offers a breathtaking herringbone design that sets apart from the rest. Let's take a look.
The living room is spacious and thoughtfully laid out, providing a functional and versatile space for both relaxation and entertaining. The high floor location ensures a bright and airy atmosphere as nature light floods through the large windows, offering panoramic unblocked views.
Stepping into this designer open concept trendy kitchen, you get an island top over here that is a quartz countertop. And other than this countertop, you actually get storage spaces all the way from the left to the right. As you can see over here, sorry it's a little bit messy, and it also provides soft closing over here for safety measure. You can fit a full height or even a good height fridge over here tucked to the left in the kitchen, which is a good space for efficiency. The kitchen cabinets is actually good as new, providing ample space and solution for your meal preparation every day, and also give you effortless storage solution to store all your items right in the kitchen. You actually get an induction cooker here, which the brand is quite renowned, called Bronze. So Bronze induction cooker, Bronze induction cooker hob and cooker hot, and you get a Bronze oven that is actually good as new. As you lead down to the kitchen, you can actually see a very nice yard space that you can fit your washing machine, your dryer, and it's all tucked to the left side of the kitchen, providing you good space for washing your items, drying your items, and you get excellent sunlight because we are on a very high floor. Let's move on to the bedroom, a heaven of tranquility, as you can still expect these magnificent unblocked views. This room indeed exudes a sense of serenity and relaxation. The vinyl flooring is good as new, and the color contrast creates an added elevation of design.
Adjacent to the bedroom is the bathroom, which you can overlay your own customized tiles at a lower cost.
Let's unravel more amenities here in Telok Blangah. With just 1 MRT stop, you'll be at Harbourfront MRT. It is also a cross interchange between the North East Line and the Circle Line, where you'll be able to find Vivo City with Golden Village Cinemas, Hai Di Lao, Marche, Dancing Crab, Michael Kors, Coach, and many more. The mall's iconic and highly recognizable design was conceived by internationally acclaimed Japanese architect Toyo Ito. With 1 MRT backwards, you'll be at Labrador MRT, where you can find Mapletree Business Park 1 and 2, UE Business Hub West, Alexandra Technopark Tower A and B, and many more. It will definitely be an added advantage if you're working here. What's more, you can also look forward to many exciting transformations in the area. This includes the highly anticipated Greater Southern Waterfront transformation, which sets to develop an entire 30 km stretch of the southern coast. It is 6 times the size of Marina Bay. This unit is really near to Mount Faber Park, where it is known for offering picture-perfect views of nature as well as the cityscape. You can enjoy brisk walking or jogging during your leisure time here.
Finally, we are introducing this master bedroom. Immediately you can see the huge and spacious space in here. And you can fix in the king size bed and the bed cot, or a twin size bed and a single size bed as well. So there's enough room to walk around even if you have added in the 2 beds in this room. So for this room, there's additional features which owner have actually built in these 4 huge full height wardrobes for their own clothing and their kids' clothing as well. For another side of the wall actually is empty, you can add in your own carpentry for storage or design based on your own ideal preference.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour, and if you want to view this breathtaking Unblock view unit, you can feel free to contact us.
And thank you for staying with us. And before you go, do click like, share and subscribe, and you will find us in all social media platforms in the description box below.
And once again, I'm Eunice.
And I'm Johnny.
And we are from Property 65. We uplift your home value. Call us to explore your choices today. See you!
See you.
加油 bus 的那个 bus，
我屁股很烧。
我的脚很烧。不用紧。
Let's step inside.
Marble-like design with also quartz countertop, giving you all the kitchen cabinets.
Hi. No, not hi. Again.
我有一句你有一句吧，我们看 script， 所以你不会 NG 的。Okay. Coffee shop, wet market, HDB neighbourhood shops that are all within 5 minutes walk.
And within 8 minutes walk to NTUC FairPrice Supermarket and Telok Blangah MRT. Stay tuned to this video with Property 65.